Igbo jingles with Oidia. Yes, I cannot say it enough that the foundation of every language is the alphabet. That is why we are taking this alphabet learning very, very serious in this our Igbo jingles with Oidia. So today is the last lesson in this our learning of the alphabet Ndi Igbo, Mkpuruokwu Ndi Igbo. So today we are going to start with the letter C. I know this thing is not coming out very well. I hope you're seeing it very well. Say in English is S, but in Igbo it's say. Then we have one of those open de barampe. I think I'm gonna change my this open de barampe. She. I hope you can see this very well. She. Say, just like the way it sounds, the way you say it, that's the way it sounds in the word when you see it. Otito, te, otito means praise. So there's one unique thing in Igbo language that the words that have dots changes how the word is being pronounced. So remember, this one is u. Then there's another one that is the same thing as u, but it has a dot under. I hope this thing is coming out very well in the camera. So, but this one is o toto, meaning morning. O toto. You cannot say ututu. No, o toto, meaning morning. And then after u, we have v, we, where, meaning take. Where. You see, where. So the way the language, the alphabet, the way you learn the alphabet, that's the same way it sounds when it comes to the word or the in sentence. So that's the same way it sounds. There's no, that's why I keep saying it. I cannot say it enough that if you get the alphabet, then you have gotten the Igbo. Like you can actually say it even without you knowing the meaning. So where. And then ye, Oyidia. You remember my name, Oyidia. Ye. And then the last but not the least, it's ze, zite, zitere. Mean like you send something. This is where we're going to end today's lesson in Igbo jingles with Oya. But before we will say goodbye for today, let's do a recap of what we did today. So, she. Now, I said she. I don't know if you notice the difference. This is the she and this is say and she, say and she. It's seregene or sheregene. It's the same thing, but in the same way. But in Igbo language, some dialect call it oseregene, some dialect will call it osheregene. So, meaning what did the person say? What did he or she say? So te, u, o, v, we, ye, ze. Se, she, te, u, o, v, we, ye, ze. And that is where we are going to end our lesson today on Igbo jingles with Oida. But before I conclude everything about the Igbo alphabet, I want to specially pay attention to those okunde barabe, means the words that are double. So we are going to cap it all by bringing all the okunde barambes and put it together, and that will be our last lesson on Igbo alphabet. Keep watching Igbo jingles with Oidia and keep subscribing and keep practicing. See you next time. Ke mesiano. Igbo jingles with Oidia.